Today in this video I show you how to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. You will find Snapchat login temporarily disabled issue while entering wrong password or username. So make sure that the password or username you enter is correct, and if you cannot access your Snapchat account because of failed login attempts, then you can wait for few hours to enable your Snapchat account access. Now if you type the password or username correct or you forget your password, then you can also click on forgot password and select how you want to reset your password. If you want a code for resetting your password on phone number, then select via phone. And if you want to reset password with the help of email, then click on via email. And after selecting this, you can reset your password. Now you can also try to update Snapchat. If you have any update on Snapchat App Store, you can also try to offload Snapchat app and then reinstall it. So this is how you can fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.